To program the micro CPAP, you will need a Windows PC, a USB-A to USB-C data cable, the micro, and its power supply. Plug the USB-C data cable into the micro. It typically snaps into place. Next, plug in the power. The micro's lights should be lit up. Finally, plug the USB-A cable into your computer. The next section will show how to install the software. You can download the software directly from the MyTranscend website. Click the green button to download the software. You can use the installation guide to help guide your install. We provide the correct USB-A to USB-C cables for our dealers. However, we do sell to patients as needed. You may need to install drivers. You can find the guide, along with the link for the drivers, here. Once the software opens, and you plug the USB from the CPAP into the computer, the boxes will light up and allow you to move forward. Click on Configuration to access the device settings. Click the padlock and enter the clinician password to unlock clinician settings. You can now adjust all settings on the device. Use the toggles to select auto/fixed. The pressure settings will adjust accordingly. For pressure settings, make sure to set a min/max and starting pressure, which should be close to the patient's average pressure. You can disable ramp with the toggle. However, it can be turned off on the micro, so we recommend leaving it on. Set the starting ramp pressure. The device will ramp from this number to the starting pressure over the ramp duration. Set the AirRelief, or EasyX. This can be adjusted by the patient. Once the settings are complete, click Update to apply them to the CPAP.